I just had to move the truck because it was, well, for one, I got stuck because it rained a lot this past weekend. But I'll just push that down with the bucket. But just move the truck to a little bit easier way to get out. And I think whenever I load up, I'm gonna load up there, up on the gravel. But let's go walk through and see what we're gonna do today. Okay. So basically, what we're doing. I mean, I'm not really gonna do anything on this one right here, but we're gonna fill this out a little bit more. Right in here where you see the dirt. Fill this in a little bit more, all the way along there. Pull this gravel that's been pushed out, pull it back up maybe a foot or so, and then fill out this spot a little bit more so that this gravel doesn't push down like it's doing here. And then just fill the rest of this with gravel. Try to cover all the dirt spots over here too. Right here. Put in a little more gravel around here. Kind of where these roots are. And I'm not sure. I'll have to ask her and see if she wants me to put any here. But let me go knock and see what they're doing. They might not even be here right now. got rid of all the pile. I smoothed it out a little bit up here where I was tracking around. But do a walk. I gotta clean this line up a little bit with a rake. Rake a little bit here in the center. Clean this line up. Clean that line up. Put some gravel down here where it was getting bare. I widened this out a little bit. This one's already looking pretty good. Maybe a little bit over right here. And if I had more, I would do this right here. I'd fill this in right like that. And then I got a rake down here where my tracks were. Put a little gravel in front of the door. Where, if you go back, I don't know, about like half a year or something, I ripped that piece of concrete out that was there. And then this, I'll hit this with a rake, fill this section right here. Yeah, looking pretty good. Then I pulled this section up like a foot or so, just along here. Grass will grow back in, that's fine, but I didn't want to keep going into the yard and making all these ruts from the tracks. I did it once and I was like, yeah, it's probably not going to make it any better. But yeah, pretty good. And then this is with 2A, so it's got kind of like gravel dust in it. So whenever it rains, this will kind of stiffen up a little bit. Kind of like concrete, but not concrete. Yeah. So we'll see what she says when she gets back. And then, yeah, we'll do a little drone shot of the finish. And I'm out of here. A short little project, but it's fun. I like working with the skid steer. It's like a big video game.